In today's video, we are going to be talking about 10 hot entry-level remote jobs, and we are going to be talking about how much they pay entry-level and mid-career. So at number 10 is a content creator assistant, and this is a job where you will be an assistant to your favorite content creator, making sure that the channel that they are building is having success. So you'll do things like schedule videos, you'll do things like manage content, and you do things like making sure the editors are editing the video correct way. You are ultimately responsible for making sure that the channels has success, and the average salary for full-time content creator assistant is around $557,000 per year. And some of the skills that you need for this role are strong communication skills, creativity, because you'll be responsible for making sure that the channel has success, which takes a bit of creativity in order for you to put out content that is going to generate views. So you will also need a good understanding of video editing software and a good understanding of these social media platform. And to get started for a role like this, you should make sure that you're building a